Hello, welcome to Higher People Inc. Please visit us at higheritpeople.com/jobs to view our new requisitions on a daily basis. You can also follow us at Higher People on your favorite social platforms.
Today's job ID is 38038. The job location is in Bethpage, New York. The candidate should ideally have the following skills: 5 plus years of experience in testing for set top box, good experience in use of Linux as tester, Git Bash, command line, experience in video testing with Storm Test or similar, knowledge on Atlassian tools such as Bitbucket, Jira, Confluence, knowledge of Python and SQL database.
Thank you for your time, and if you think you are the right fit for this position, please apply right now. Higher People Inc. Please visit us at higheritpeople.com/jobs to view our new requisitions on a daily basis. You can also follow us at Higher People on your favorite social platforms.